So in this video, I'm going to talk about pointers in C. So what pointers in C is basically, it's a memory point. Let's say C has a variable, and in that variable you have, let's say, it's a integer. So you have, basically 4 bytes in that variable, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when that variable is referenced to another variable, where that variable can be read by this particular variable, then this becomes a pointer to that variable, and it is referenced by something called as star. This is used in memory management in C because you can then manipulate the memory of the particular variable from another variable. So that's the fundamental concept of pointers in C. Now let's just say how pointers work in action. So here I've written a small C program just to print the hello world in C. And as you can see in that program, you can see that I've basically, it's a template, so I've basically include the standard library and the main function where you have declared a hello world. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to declare a variable here. So let's call our variable an integer, and we'll call it var, and we'll give it a value of 10. Okay. So now, if I want to initialize a pointer, I need to map that pointer to the above variable. So first thing first, I have to understand what is the type of that variable. So it is an integer type. So I will type the pointer as integer. Now a pointer can be another variable. So I can write this as pointer, and then I can reference it to the above variable. But before I do that, I need to basically give it a star here. So now this star makes it a pointer. Now, this variable name here doesn't matter. You can give it any name. That's not the point. You can give it pointer ABC, whatever you want to. It doesn't matter. But the important point is that it should be starting with a star. The star can be here. The star can be here. The star can be in the middle. It doesn't matter. There has to be a star in the middle. And then I will either you can reference it directly here with the AND symbol. So the AND symbol is the one which is the connecting reference to the variable's pointer memory location. So either you can do this, or you can simply create the variable here and you can reference it below here, like so. With an AND here, like this, and like this. So we have created a pointer. So this is a pointer where this ABC is now referencing to var. So let's sort of run it and see if there is an issue with it. There are no issues with it. The code is running properly. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to print the pointer and see what comes out of it. So I'm going to say printf, and I'm going to say show the value at var. But at var the value should be the digit value, putting a new line of var. Okay, so the value at var should be 10. This is the value at var. We'll just remove this printf because we don't need it. Now we're going to do the same thing one more time, and this time I'm going to show the value of, one second. So this time I'm going to show the value of ABC. So we'll do Control C, and then we'll do Control V. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the value of PTR. PTR. Okay. Now remember PTR is a pointer, so you have to change this value also here, which is the percentage D. So you have to show it as percentage P. Now let's, sorry, wait, this variable's name is not PTR. This variable's name is ABC. So now let us see what does it show. So it shows me the memory address of the variable var. So ABC has now become memory address of ABC var. So this pointer is now showing the memory address of this particular variable. It's not the value at this address, it is the memory address, memory of the value 10. Now, if you want to find out the value at 10, You can get that also. What you can do is you can say ABC, and you can find the digit value of ABC. So this will show you so we don't want the pointer value, we want the decimal value at ABC. And when you do this, you have to dereference it here. So you have to put a star here. So when we do that, it shows us the value of var is 10 at ABC. The value at ABC of var is 10. The value of ABC, the value of ABC of var is 10. The value of var inside the memory location value of var is this is the memory location, and the value of var is 10. So this is how a pointer works, and we can use this to manipulate the data within C's different variable classes. Okay, so that's a pointer in a nutshell, and that's how it is. Thank you.